So a lot of people ask me, Solomon, can I actually make money online just by working? Of course, you can make money online just by working. That's why today I've actually selected some method or some legitimate methods that they can use to make money online just by working. But before I continue, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. Guys, please, if you're not in my community, do want to join my community. Just click on the join button right now and join the community. Thank you very much. And don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section below. I really appreciate that. This is 21st century. The way people make money has actually shifted. Right now, you can make money in so many different methods. You just need the ability for you to learn and the willingness for you to do whatever it takes to make the money. Now, working can actually be a profession. Yes, working can be a profession. You can be earning this particular amount you're seeing on my screen right now just by working and doing something you love. And mind you, working is also an exercise, which means you kill two birds just with one stone. Exercise yourself for your health while actually making money. I believe you have seen videos like this all over social media where people carry their smartphones and they start recording what they do for the day, a day in a life. You know, they're recording themselves, how they go around. Maybe they want to buy something, they want to shop, you know, all those kind of stuff. I believe you've seen those kind of videos, and they call those kind of videos vlogging, right? They call those kind of videos vlogging. And one of the best ways you can start making money online just by working is through vlogging. Vlogging is where you decide to carry your smartphone or your digital camera to record yourself, your activities for the day. So it's just you documenting your day and sharing it on social media. Of course, you can actually make money from vlogging through YouTube. You see, this particular set of people, they are earning a whole lot of money just by doing this. And the most interesting part is that they are doing something they love, and at the same time, they are earning money out of it. Let me know what you think in the comment section if this is what you can try. And if you want me to go detail by detail, step by step, just comment vlogging down in the comment section below. This channel is called Japan 4K. All what this particular creator does is that he or she picks up his or her phone, because I'm saying that because nobody knows who is the owner of the channel, because there's no face, there's no voice, nothing. You pick up your phone, go to the best part in your city. It could be a beach, it could be a supermarket, it could be a shopping mall, and you start recording your environment. It could be a very beautiful highway, it could be a bridge, any place in your town or city that is actually beautiful. You carry your phone, you carry your camera, go there, you start recording the environment and start posting it on social media. This is another method you can use to make money online just by working. This particular person earned this amount of money every single day, and he also earned this amount of money every single month just by doing this. The best part, you don't have to say anything, you don't have to show your face. That is an amazing way to make money online just by working. I know some of you will be asking, Solomon, you that you're talking, have you make money online from working before? Of course I have, and I'm going to show you guys in this particular video, so you have to keep watching. I'm going to show you the particular method that I have personally been using to make money online just by working. If you go over on TikTok right now and you search for, let's search for live walking street on TikTok, you're going to see different videos from different creators that are actually making money from TikTok, right? So what do? They just turn on their phone, they go on TikTok live, and they start recording their streets, just like what you're seeing right here. And if you have a TikTok UK account or a TikTok US account, you can use this to make some money for yourself. If you don't have a TikTok UK or TikTok US, you can start in Nigeria with Nigerian TikTok. Just get a good smartphone, go to your street or go to the best neighborhood in your street and just start a TikTok live video. You're going to see different people. Let me click on this one, and it has over 120 something or 130 people watching. So it's like the live just started. This place looks like Paris, or this place looks like France, right? So people will stay and watch this. People will stay and watch this from the beginning to the end. You don't have to say anything. This one looks like Tokyo, right? People will spend hours and hours and hours just to watch this on TikTok. And there are a lot of creators that are doing this, and they are making much more money from this. So just carry your phone, enter the street, start a TikTok live video, and record the best part of your city that people will wish to visit. And most people don't have the money or the capacity to visit that particular location. And if you can feed them that location live, you're helping somebody and you're making money for yourself. So the next way you can make money through working is TikTok live street walking. I know most of you are shy, most of you are camera shy. If you're from Nigeria, you're shy. Some of you will say, okay, what of my street is rough, my city is rough, what if they collect my phone or they collect my camera? I'm not staying in a safe location. What can I do? I still love this, but I'm not staying in a safe location, and what if my street is rough? Well, if you're not staying in a safe location and your street is rough, maybe you don't have a good smartphone, you can still do this by using AI. So I was able to get something like this, and you can do much more better than this just with AI. So what you want to do right now is just for you to go on Chat GPT and you get your script. You go on different AI software that actually offer video generation like Hixfill AI and so many others like VO3 and the rest. If you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial using AI to do this, just comment AI in the comment section, and I'm going to create a step-by-step tutorial for you on how you can actually do this using AI to earn some money for yourself. Some of you will say, Solomon, you said you'll make money from walking. Show us, show us. All right, so there is an app right here that I've been using personally. So this is actually an app that I've been using for months now. This is like 6-7 months now, and this app has been amazing because I've been using it to earn extra cash for myself just by walking. This app is called Walktask. I've talked about it in so many of my videos. They offer to reward you in coin just by walking. You walk here and you get rewarded, and you can convert your coin into cash, and you can redeem your cash using PayPal gift card, Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card, Apple gift card, and the rest of the gift cards based on your location. Now please mind you, this might work for you based on your location. Some people are having issues with this particular app right here, but I've not encountered much issues since I started using the app. Some people like it, some people don't like it. You might not earn much just by working on the app, but if you want to earn more, you can choose to invite your friends, or you can choose to complete some of their offers. They have different offers on the platform like gaming offers, app offers, and so many offers. Possibly they also have surveys and some daily check-in on the platform where you can actually check this out, and you let me know what you think in the comment section. Like I said, it might work for you in your location, it might not work out for you. It works for me based on my own location. The app is called Walktask, and if you're interested, you can get it from Google Play Store or on the App Store. Do want to use my invite code, support the channel by using my invite code, and you're going to get some bonuses if you sign up, and I am also going to get some bonuses if you sign up with my invite code. Just check it on the screen, use it to get started, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I've been able to get this amount and this amount. I've gotten a lot of gift cards from this platform, and I have something left in my wallet that I can actually withdraw right now, over 140 something dollars in my wallet right now that I can withdraw. And based on when you're watching this video, a lot might change on this particular platform. So based on where you're watching this video, just do a little findings to see if it's still active or not. These are different methods you can use to make money online just by walking. We have TikTok Street Life, we have AI walking videos, normal walking videos where you go to the best part of your cities and you record some good structures. We also have vlogging, which is you documenting your daily lifestyle and the rest. And we also have Walktask, which can help you reward you just by counting your steps. Are these the things you can try? Just let me know in the comment section.